Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the ammo box in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one could be a little bit tricky because again we're drawing things in perspective. So let's draw in the top first. So we're gonna go one line slanted this way, and then this is gonna be this side, so this is going to be a top. So to draw this box, we want to keep these lines going this way. So we're going to draw another line here, and then we're going to draw another line here, same direction as this line. Okay, so that's going to be the top face of the box. So now we're just going to come down for the lid. Okay, so this one is easy. We're just going to come straight down. And now we're just gonna draw the same line as this. So once we have this line, it's a little bit easier. Now we're just gonna match it. So same thing here, we're just gonna continue that line. Okay, so this is gonna be the top. And let's come down and draw the bottom. So we're just gonna extend these lines. Okay, and then for here, just kind of come in slightly before you come down. Alright, and then we're going to connect these two lines with the same direction as this one. So we're just going to try to follow the same angle, slant. Okay, and then same thing here, we're going to come in slightly. And then we're just going to go all the way down. And we're going to connect it with the same slant as that. And if yours is a little bit crooked or skewed, it's okay, just kind of keep going. It is very tricky with these kind of perspective. Okay, so from here, let's go back up and let's draw the handle first. But let's draw in some straps. So we're gonna add in one line here, and then we're gonna come down. So we're just adding details right now. So draw another line, and then we're gonna come down. All right, and then from here, we're gonna draw the little strap, the little handle. So right about in the middle, just kind of come up two lines, close it off, and draw a little box inside, the same thing. And then now we're gonna give two curves. Just gonna go around, and then we're gonna close this off. So this line right here is actually this on the other side. And then now we're going to draw two lines coming down. So that's going to be this handle right here on the side. Okay, and we can, well, let's give this line a little bit of thickness. Okay, so we know what we're drawing. So this right here is that. Okay, and then we're going to draw in this little stripe here. So draw this, and it's slightly behind there, so I'm not going to draw it. And then we're going to go one more. And close that off. Okay, so then down here, let's add in some detail. So we're gonna draw one line across. Just come down, but not all the way. Close it off. And now we gotta draw a little X in there, which is probably the trickiest part. So from here, you can just draw a little arc. Just kind of draw these little brackets, okay, with the open facing in. Okay, once you have these brackets, we're gonna slant down from here. This point, we're gonna slant down, and then on this point here, we're just gonna come down, make a little mark, and then we're gonna connect these. Bottom. All right. So once you have this, then it gets easier. Now we're just gonna give these lines some thickness. Okay, and it's connected. So it's not too bad, but it's getting the initial slant. That's difficult. All right, so let's move on to, let's finish off this. Right here, we're gonna have a little panel here. So you can draw two lines like that, same direction. I know mine's a little bit crooked. Yours is better. And then we're gonna come down and just kind of connect that. And then now there's a little bit of handle, so we're gonna draw a little same kind of a little curve on both sides. And now we come down on this end, close that off, and then we're gonna come down on this end, and then we're gonna close this off. And that is it for this very tricky to draw ammo box. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.